Hey FSPA members, this is David with Get the Clicks, and today I am excited to showcase to you all the new and improved FSPA website. So, as you can see just on an initial glance, the website has a similar feel as far as color scheme is concerned and content. However, we at Get the Clicks have really taken a deep dive into revamping this website and making it more user-friendly as well as modern. So let's go ahead and actually just take a look at this homepage first. So if we scroll down here, you'll see a very familiar image that you could see on the old FSPA site, the logo. And you'll also see over here, why join FSPA? So we have links that go to the FSPA page, why to join, as well as looking for a solutions provider. That link is available as well. These links probably will not be used by the members too often, but they are here for your access. If we continue to go down here, there's a Join the Association Today, which takes you directly to the FSPA application. Again, not really going to be used too much by the members, but it is there. And lastly, if we scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that we still have the mailing address as well as the contact phone numbers, and then we have a quick links menu. So there was a menu in the footer before. We rearranged where some of the content is located on the site. So you'll see here we have a quick links button, and underneath that are the following: the board page, the Why Join FSPA link again, the member login, which we'll get into a little bit later in the video, and FSPA scholarship information. So if you come into the footer here, you will see all of this information, and you have this at your disposal at any time. So let's go ahead and go back to the top here, and let's take a look at the new FSPA menu. So we have our Join Now button, our member directory, our blog, Contact Us, Classifieds, Events, and Webinars. Again, this content is going to feel familiar to you all, but we've decided to rearrange it to make the user experience a little bit easier. So let's go ahead and we'll just click on the Join Now page. So as you can see, we have a cover image and then Join FSPA Today. Not too much information, but again, the design being revamped to make it simpler and cleaner, we have this shortened page. So this is, again, a page members most likely won't navigate to too often, but it is going to look good for the prospective members. So let's go ahead and just go to the top here. I'm going to go to the member directory last. That's a big piece that I'm excited to showcase to you all. And let's go ahead and skip to the blog. So the blog is going to be exactly the same as it was on the old site, minus the aesthetic of it. So we again updated the look to feel a little more modern, a little more light and airy, giving it a more welcoming feel. So as you'll see, we have every blog categorized in rows, and you'll see that you can click any one of these blogs, and every single blog that was on the current FSPA site will be transitioned over here, and actually already is. So if you scroll down here and you need any past blogs, they will all be available to you on this page. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the top, and also any new blogs that'll be posted will be posted up here and will be at the top left for the newest blog. So let's go ahead and we'll just take a look at the contact page really quick. So very, very simplified. We have the contact form over here in case you have anything that you need to reach out to BJ about. And then as well over here, we have the Google Maps, which showcases the location, the official location for FSPA, which members most likely won't use, but this is something that Get the Clicks feels is important to showcase on a website to really add an extra factor that the business is legitimate, and just as a factor of giving people the peace of mind to know that there is a physical location associated with a company. So as you can see here, just like in the footer, we have the address again, as well as all of the FSPA contact phone numbers and fax number. So I'm going to go to the top again here. Let's take a look at the classifieds. So the classifieds will look very similar. It's going to be uploaded by BJ and updated by BJ. So as you'll see here, the page is only what BJ has that's going to be uploaded in this section. So very familiar to what you're already used to. Again, this page has minor changes as far as content, but the color scheming is different to give it that airy, more welcoming feel. So we'll skip to events now. And events is something that was in the member portal on the current FSPA site. However, we felt that it would be more user-friendly if it was in the menu of the website. We've, at Get the Clicks, seen a lot of success as far as usability when important links are in the menu of a site, as opposed to somewhere small on a page or somewhere that needs to be logged in to be accessed. So as you can see, we've got a contact form on the right-hand side here, and then we have an events calendar. And unfortunately, this event will not be happening due to current circumstances. However, any event that needs to be posted by BJ will be showcased under this events calendar. And once there's more events, you'll be able to make use of this search functionality. So any event that you want to search for, you can do that. Or you can search by location as well. And this area will allow you to do that. And so let's just go ahead and I'll click on this since we have this event in here. So when an event is uploaded, and in this case it's the FSPA Conference and Supplier Showcase, you'll see here that we've got a cover image as well as all of the information for the event. So this will be something that's updated by BJ still. The events are going to be current and will still again be posted by BJ in a timely manner, but this is the structure of what they will look like. So you have your location of the event, the actual address, and then a little description of the event, the conference brochure if there is one, and then the event website as well as contact information. So this is the layout of what events are going to look like here. And it's very clean, very user intuitive, simple. And that's really what we were going for here with the website rebuild. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. And now we're back on the events page, which there's not too much left to showcase on this page. But again, this is where any future events will be posted. So let's take a look at the last link here, the webinars. Now, the webinars, Get the Clicks felt, needed to be the same as events. We needed it to be in a more accessible place, somewhere in the menu that would make it a little bit easier for people to find. And so we wanted to make sure that that was in place so that in case you ever needed any of the webinars, you can at least come back and find it easily. So let's go ahead and we'll scroll down here. We have this picture of someone watching videos online similar to the webinars. And then if we scroll down a little bit, and it's still loading here it looks like, but you'll see the events page has been changed very similar to the blog page. So you'll see here that instead of a link to the webinars now, we have preview thumbnails, which shows just basically, if you go to any YouTube video, you'll notice a thumbnail if you're searching for something, and it gives you a preview of the video. We've got our title, see what Fred Wheeler is up to now, is this one, and then a description of the video. So if you wanted to, you wouldn't have to even click on this to expand the page. You could watch the video on this tiny screen if you felt the need to do that, or you can even go ahead and go to YouTube and watch this video. or you can make it full screen yourself and make it full screen on your screen to give you a better experience. So we have all these videos, again, a lot easier to access, a lot just more accessible overall. And if we scroll down here, also similar to the blogs, we already have every single video that is currently on the FSPA webinars page on this page as well. So if there's any video that you need to revisit, it will be here. So also, any new video that's going to be showcased is going to be in this area. So as you can see already, there's videos in rows of 3, and so the webinars are going to follow that same suit. So anytime there's a new video, it's going to appear over here on the left, and then once this row is full, it will make a new one. So this is where you'll come to see all the webinars. This video, this recording will be a webinar, so if you ever need to come back at any point in time and see what I'm explaining here, or find out where something is on the site, this is exactly where you would come to do that. So let's look at the last item, and I said this earlier, but I'm excited to showcase this, the member directory. This is something new that Get the Clicks has added to kind of give the website a more modern look and give it some modern tools. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now, this page, most importantly, is where you're going to come to log into your member account, and this is something I'm going to do in the next part of this video. However, let's go through this page first. So as you can see at the top here, we have a search by company name, and then we have a little filter that says all members, and then enter company name. So what this search is for this map. And we have added a interactive map of the United States so that members can go and search other members through location or by name, depending on which they have or which they prefer. So let's go ahead and see how this map works. And I'll just go ahead and actually demonstrate the map before the search functionality portion. So let's go ahead, because I live in Florida. Let's go ahead and hover over Florida, and you'll see it's actually clickable. And let's click that. So once you click this, you'll see up here, this is a confirmation that you are in Florida. You'll see a lime green color over the state to, again, confirm that that is where you are. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. And as you'll see, we have an entire list of companies. And so you can see some basic information, company logo, which there aren't any uploaded yet, company name, as well as business type. And we think this is a great experience just because, again, if you're looking for someone by location of where they service, this will allow you an easy way to do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually go to our company, Get the Clicks, because we have a member list as well. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So if you aren't a member and you aren't logged in to the site, this is the page that you're going to get. So we have some very basic information presented in case you want to reach out to any of the members on here. We have the company name, we have the contacts for the company if they're input. We have allowed 5 different contacts to be input for that. And then we also have a website link and actual address. So again, if you're not logged in, this is the information that you're going to receive on this page, and it's really helpful if you're looking for some preliminary information that you might need, or if you're looking to start a relationship with another member. This is where you would come to essentially see that information. So I'm going to go back, and when we go back, we're back at our list. And so I'm going to go to the top again, and we're actually going to go back one more time so that I can go back to the overall map to demonstrate the search functionality. So in order to search, we're going to go to the top, and you can say, okay, I'm looking for Get the Clicks, but I don't know exactly what area they service. So you're going to go up here and type get. And when you do that, I'll just type it again. We'll go ahead and see that there's get the clicks. And so if you click and get the clicks, you'll be taken to our member listing that we were currently on before. So again, Get the Clicks wanted to add something that was a little more modern with the website. We wanted to add that updated, clean, simple user experience, and I feel as though we really achieved that with this directory. So another note, final note on the search functionality, you actually can sort by national service members. So if you bring down this menu over here, there's an all members, which won't filter anyone, and then national service members, which will filter all of the national service members if you're looking for a specific member to see if they are national service. So again, another great addition for the user experience. So let's go ahead, and I'm actually going to scroll down here. And as you can see, we have a sponsor section where BJ is going to allow members to post any of their logos or any type of advertising in these boxes to kind of give more exposure for members to other members. These are areas that we felt would be great to add, again, to allow more of that member exposure. So let's go ahead and log into our account here.